Hello everyone. Did you know that stochastic optimization algorithms are a class of optimization methods that use randomness to find optimal or near-optimal solutions to complex, uncertain, or high-dimensional problems? Unlike deterministic approaches, they incorporate probabilistic elements such as random sampling or noise to explore the search space more effectively and reduce the risk of getting stuck in local optima. This makes them especially useful for problems where the objective function is noisy, nonlinear, or lacks a clear analytical form. Common examples include genetic algorithms, simulated annealing, particle swarm optimization, ant colony optimization, and stochastic gradient descent, all of which leverage randomness to balance exploration and exploitation in the search for optimal solutions. What do you think about the stochastic optimization algorithms? Do you use them in your scientific research and publications? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.